know, guys, we're at Collins Race right now.
Nobody hits that corner except him.
You avoided a lot.
Mikey putting in the work on the bent tie rod. How's it going, Mikey?
Pretty well.
Everything's broken. My driver sucks.
Alright, listen, we had an accident, okay? Some things happened. Some things happened out there. It wasn't my fault. Some dude came back. I couldn't react in time. Just smacked me. Hit my dang rod. But hey, let me show you something. Turn this on. Check this out. With a broken cart. With a 41. So your driver sucks.
He's pretty good, I guess. Pretty good.
My mechanic's pretty good. He's doing a good job.
Who knew? That was just
How's it looking?
to make sure. Washer. Oh, no, double. Make sure we have the right parts so you don't kill yourself. Double. That's what that is. Double. And then a washer.
Alright, how's it going?
Well,
Any issues?
the parts are cheaper than the factory.
It's not good quality.
Not great.
So this comes from Italy. This is the Cosmocart Mercury R 2020. And pretty much everything is from factory Italy. What do you think this is made of?
This is like aluminum.
Space green. What are you trying to get it to?
Half an inch.
Not bad.
Oh yeah, and off they go to the races.
Racing.
You couldn't even afford to race at the races that I'm racing.
Racing. She's huge.
Again?
Caught you in 4K.
Again? Dude, I actually bought a whole box of donuts.
You act like you didn't even eat one.
Nobody will believe you. Come on now. You're so big. Out of here.
You're so big.
All right, Mikey did it. He fixed it. He fixed it. Good job, Mikey.
What we do here is go back.
I cleaned this plug to see.
Might be big though.
I only get pretty much backstretch in here, but that's still plenty. He also he seemed as fast as the other cars in the corners. Every time running the short config,
Yeah.
he got lost in the straights last time.
Hey, come on, buddy.